The Yajurveda Samhita. The Yajurveda contains the mantras uttered during a yajna. Yajurveda provides the guidance about how and when the different mantras must be chanted during the yajna rites. These texts include the verse or poetic incantation and their explanation in prose. In while we are doing the yajna, that time which mantras we are chanting or uttered, how these mantras you want to use. These all guidance given in the Yajurveda Samhita. Samved Samhita. The Samveda provides the guidance on singing and Rigvedic verse to a set rhythm and tune. At the time of Yajna rites, the Samveda has contributed in major way in laying the foundation of the Indian music. Samveda in Samveda Samhita, given the guidance singing the Rigvedic verse and how to set this rhythm and tune. And Indian music also based on the Samved Samhita. Atharvaved Samhita. The Atharvaved Samhita is named after Atharva Rishi. The Veda is different from the other three Vedas, Rigved, Yajurved and Samved. It is more concerned with many things in the day-to-day life of the people and include the solution to adversities and the diseases, as also provides information about the medicinal herbs. The Atharva Veda provides the guidance to king about the way he should administer his kingdom. The Brahmanas texts, Aranyaka and Upanishada were written after the composition of the Samhitas. They are also included in the Vedic literature. In Vedic literature, Rigved, Yajurved, Samved and Atharva Ved. These four Ved and also the Brahmanas, Aranyakas and Upanishads, these all things include in the Vedic literature. In Atharva Samhita, described the day-to-day life of the peoples and about the medicinal plants and give the guidelines to king how to administrate their kingdom. Next, Brahman texts. Brahman texts. They were composed to provide the guidance on using Vedic mantras and yajna rituals. Each Veda has independent text called the Brahmanas. In each Veda has the independent text is called the Brahmanas. Aranyakas. Aranyakas consists the reflection or thought expressed after the meditation with deep concentrations in forest or wilderness. The Aranyakas are concerned with the accurate performance of the yajna rites. Aranyakas and Upanishads means in Upanishads the terms Upanishads indicates the knowledge acquired by sitting at the feet of the teacher. Human beings have always wondered about the events like life and death. It is not easy to find answer to them. The Upanishads discuss such serious and the profound issues. The four Vedas, Brahmanas, Aranyakas and the Upanishads were composed over a period of 1500 years. During this period, the Vedic civilization underwent many changes. The Vedic literature is the important source for the study of those changes and day-to-day life in the Vedic period. In Vedic period, four Vedas, Yajurved, Rigved, Samved, Atharvaved, Brahmanic, Aranyakas and Upanishads are the important source the study of the Vedic literature. I hope students you understood here the Vedic literature. You need to read daily textbook to easy to understand the history. Thank you. Have a good day.